Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Maserati Levante door panel. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Remove visible screws in the armrest and door edge, then use a trim tool to gently pry out clips. Lift the panel upward to clear the window channel and access electrical connectors. Label connectors and take photos for reference before unplugging them. Store screws and clips in labeled containers for reassembly. Begin by assembling a small toolkit with Torx bits, a flat trim tool, and a magnetic tray for screws. Remove any trim covers and unscrew fasteners in the armrest area and lower door edge. Carefully pry around the panel perimeter to release plastic clips, working slowly to avoid breakage. Take clear photos of wiring and connector locations before unplugging anything. Keep all small parts in a labeled container to speed reassembly. With screws removed and clips loosened, lift the panel away from the window channel while supporting its weight. Detach the interior handle linkage by sliding the retaining clip off, then unhook the cable with care. Disconnect any power connectors for windows, locks, and speakers, pressing tabs to release them. Set the panel upright on a soft surface to prevent scuffs. Inspect clip locations and replace any broken fasteners before reinstallation for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.